When performing a concentration curl, there's a few things that I see people do wrong that are easy to correct. There are a few different ways to perform a concentration curl. You can do them standing, you can do them seated. We're going to talk seated today. And there's a number of variations. So this is a pretty standard variation of the concentration curl. The point of the exercise is to try and isolate the bicep a little bit more than other bicep exercises. And here are the mistakes people make. You should perform it with the back of your arm on the inside of your leg, curling up like this. And what this does is it keeps you from engaging anything else to move the weight up. So if I'm to put my arm here, which a lot of people do, because they're just kind of mimicking a position they halfway remember in a magazine, it's easy to lean back and use kind of your body weight to get the weight. But here, you're over the weight and you really would have to struggle to lean and cheat the lift a little bit. Also, you'll see a lot of people brace with their other leg as they do it and kind of push, and they're, again, leaning back with it. So I tell people just rest like this or be loose. Don't have tension on this leg. It's a strange thing, but you'll see it makes the lift a lot harder. Finally, if you know what you're doing, there's nothing wrong with cheating a little bit. So when you get stuck, instead of leaning with the weight, just use the other hand to kind of tease it up, and then you can get a slow negative or whatever you want to do to challenge your bicep a little bit more. It also allows for a full stretch, so don't be one of the people who just stop there and then keep curling unless you're doing that for a purpose. Again, going to the common theme of what are you trying to accomplish with an exercise? Are you just trying to move a dumbbell up and down a number of repetitions, or are you trying to work your bicep to a certain degree? If you're trying to work your bicep, the weight is irrelevant to a point, and it's more about getting a full range of motion. If you just want to get reps in, then you can cheat all you want.